On Menstrual Hygiene Day, we asked 6 different women employees to bring the men in their lives to test how much they know about periods.
Ankita is my wife. I'm a FMCG/consumer goods sales professional.
So I'm with Pushpa. I'm Pushpa's brother. About myself, I'm a 26-year-old Delhi boy.
I'm Alisha's father, doctor by profession.
I am Perv and I'm 20 years old and I'm a student. I'm here with my sister.
Hi, I'm Ketan Bhatia. I currently work as the group brand director at the Good Glam Group. I'm here with my wife Winnie today.
I'm Siddharth Anand. I'm from Kanpur and currently I'm social media manager of OK Tested. मेरे को लेके आई है अर्शी.
My work bestie.
But the catch is, they'll wear a period pain stimulator while answering the questions.
ये बात नहीं हुई थी मगी, मेरे को एक 5 स्टार पे लाया गया यहाँ पे.
Oh fuck!
Oh fuck!
Oh भाई, oh भाई.
भाई भाई! भाई भाई!
दीदी sorry.
Now you get कि मैं क्यों irritated रहती हूँ.
How old were you and how did you learn about periods for the first time?
When I first learnt about periods, I would have been 15-16 year old.
उस टाइम भी ऐसा अच्छे से पता नहीं चला था. धीरे-धीरे different लोगों से knowledge मिल रही थी.
I have a younger sister who's 5 years younger to me. Time I saw her crying and I saw my mum holding her close, trying to tell her, but it was in a very hush tone. I think for 2-3 days I kept asking कि हुआ क्या है उसको? What has happened? I don't think my mum told me at that time.
हमें काफ़ी लेट पता लगा. मीडिया और ये सब नॉलेज वाले टीवी ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट होता है, ये सब नहीं था. अराउंड 11-12 के आसपास ही पता लगा.
I was in 7th class. तब मुझे दीदी ने ही भेजा था पैड्स लेके आने के लिए और मैं नैपकिन ले आया था. उसके बाद से नहीं भेजा.
I just googled it कि ये होता क्या है, what is this? I was very curious because I used to see the ads and all. Of course, I didn't know the pain, what involves, but yeah, I was pretty much aware about the period cycle when I was in 7th or 8th.
I was like कि पैड्स क्या होते हैं? तो she was like कि periods में we use pads. I was like I also use pads. She was like no you don't. I use pads.
But yeah, we used to be excited about the diagram and कि भाई आ गया आज तो क्लास का दिन आ गया जब हमें पढ़ेंगे. And then they did not explicitly said you know this is period. They did not give an example of a woman. They just gave an example of a thing which has a uterus.
वो जो होता है ना 6th और 7th चैप्टर बीच का जिसमें वो बेसिक बायोलॉजी पे आते हैं कि दे टेल एवरीथिंग अबाउट सेक्स और एवरीथिंग मतलब जो भी है आसपास का. सी अभी तक नहीं पता, मतलब अभी भी गूगल से ही पता चला, वो भी अलग अलग साइट से. थोड़ी गलत है, थोड़ी अच्छी.
टीचर वाज फीमेल. All used to keep quiet and listen silently, but there was no proper interaction.
As part of the reproductive system, women have periods where for a few days every month they bleed. That's about it.
What do you do for women in your life when they are on their period?
There was a immature phase that I had and then there was a mature phase. In my immature phase I used to like ठीक है हो रहा है, not a big deal, it comes every month.
I mean, I try to be a little careful because I do understand that she's going through something which is not pleasant with her. So I try to be on my best behavior at that point. पर यार ऐसा कुछ खास special नहीं करता हूँ मैं इसके अलावा.
I don't think I do anything different. I think Ankita is better judged to tell you guys more about what do I do.
कि मम्मा आपके साथ ज़्यादा शेयर नहीं करना चाहती. How does that make you feel? Do you think that she should have shared more?
मैं हो सकता है कि उनके लिए हॉट वाटर बॉटल दे देता, थोड़ा सा मसाज वगैरह, हेड मसाज है ना, थोड़ी सी हगिंग. इवन यू नो किसिंग इज अ गुड दिस थिंग. It helps by dilating vessels and it relieves, changes mood also, and it also reduces cramps. That opportunity I had never got.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate your knowledge about periods?
Let's say 6.
Maybe about a 6.
6 to 7.
आपके क्वेश्चन मुश्किल होने वाले हैं तो 5 ही ठीक है.
Now we will put the period machine on you. Are you ready?
I am not ready but yeah let's do this.
श्रवण 5 से शुरू करना. How are you feeling?
Quite nervous but yeah we are good to go.
मैं अपना best try करूँगा ताकि झटकों से बचूँ.
I didn't know the pain thing till the moment I sat on the seat, so it's okay. We're on.
I'm feeling very excited because I want to see what his reaction is. To this actually there is more empathy to when I'm on my period. It's gonna happen around the corner तो बहुत जल्दी पता चल जाएगा कि इसका कुछ actual lasting impact हुआ कि नहीं.
भाई हो सकता है मैं सारे आंसर ठीक कर दूं, पेन ही ना फील हो. मे भी ऐसा हो जाए.
Are you ready for the main quiz now?
Sure.
Your first question. True or false? Period blood is not blood.
हैं? 2.
False.
False.
It is blood.
It is blood.
Wrong. Shravan.
Shravan!
ये बात नहीं हुई थी.
Oh भाई.
It is blood, Shravan.
It is actually not a blood, but it is a shedding of inner lining of the uterus.
It is paining, dude. What the hell?
Why do women get periods?
लगा दो भाई.
It is a natural process
The body changes the entire internal tissue.
which helps them to
Internal lining of the uterus gets ready to accept the fertilized ovum.
Egg that got planted but has not fertilized, so it does away with the entire lining.
Basically going out so that the body can make fresh ones.
यार इतना easy
मुझे पता है अभी मेरी थोड़ी फटी हुई है, मैं स्वेट कर रहा हूँ.
मेरे हिसाब से मतलब पीरियड्स के होते हैं भगवान ने बनाया.
Basically, unfertilized egg shed off हो रहे होते हैं उनके body से, so it comes out of a form of period.
Wrong.
पसीने छूट रहे हैं उसके.
It's just a weird sensation at this point.
He is only feeling ticklish, so you need to increase the intensity.
गलत जवाब चाहिए.
How much does a woman bleed in every cycle?
क्वांटिटी में
Yeah, in a cycle, right? In the entire cycle.
कोई ऑप्शन है इसमें?
ऑप्शन 1 2 3 4
Maybe 250 to 300 ml of blood.
300 ml.
How wrong am I?
It's incorrect.
Okay, बढ़ा दे भाई.
भाई 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 भाई
भाई
कम कर दे यार वापस प्लीज.
50 ml? I don't know. 50?
Around 50 to 60 ml of blood.
Now you get कि मैं क्यों irritated रहती हूँ, पता?
आई ट्राई टू एक्ट नॉर्मल कि हाँ दर्द हो रहा है बट मैं शो नहीं करता. यहाँ पे मैं हाइड नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ वो पेन. सो आई गेस ऐसा पेन अगर हाइड करो बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. मुझसे तो नहीं हो पा रहा है बिकॉज ये नॉर्मल पेन नहीं है. इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट.
Wait, actually, at what? Okay, this is what intensity 3 right now. It started becoming a slight pain.
True or false? Menstrual cramps can be as painful as a heart attack.
हाँ ये दर्द जो अभी सहन हो रहा है मुझे नहीं लगता इससे ऊपर कभी कोई दर्द होता होगा. तो
ट्रू 100% श्योर.
I think right here I can tell you more than that, so
I guess no.
false. They can be more painful.
तो पंगे मत लो. This is not the time to be over smart. है ना? सही आंसर दो.
श्रवण बढ़ा दे.
Heart attack.
True. I'm guessing both are extremely painful, given that this is already painful.
Okay, ma'am, since he's ticklish, do you want me to increase the intensity by a level? Only
अच्छा. ठीक है.
Not equivalent, but it is really painful. Can be compared with heart attack also.
True or false? Menstruating women should avoid cooking food or handling food as their body releases toxins which may contaminate it.
No, no, no.
भाई ये तो false है मेरे हिसाब से तो.
Absolutely false.
With all my disgust to that assumption.
फॉल्स.
Again, menstruating women can do anything that they want.
तो डम स्टूपिड.
भाई वो इसलिए अलाउ नहीं करते थे कि वो समझते थे कि भाई ये जो है impure है.
Perhaps as a way of giving rest to women, when they were menstruating in the past, which is some of the stories that we've heard.
Can you get pregnant if you have unprotected sex during periods?
No.
Medically you cannot get pregnant.
The entire funda is that the body is getting rid of the entire lining with. But yeah, I think you can.
Yes, you can. नहीं, no, false. You can't.
Because periods के बाद ही 14 डे पे ओवुलेशन होता है और उस ओवुलेशन के बाद ही स्पर्म फर्टिलाइज होके बाद में ही प्रेगनेंसी आती है.
Yes, you can. There is always a very slight chance that you can get pregnant even if you're having your periods.
नो फॉल्स.
भाई 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 नहीं हो सकते प्रेग्नेंट यार.
अबे यार.
This is exactly what you go through.
30%.
Oh man, mad respect for all of you guys.
On an average, a woman menstruates for about 7 years during their lifetime. True or false?
अगर मैं कैलकुलेट करूँ
महीने में एक बार for 3 to 4 days.
Which means in a year 60 into 40.
3 से 4 12.
Right.
6.66 तो वो 7 वाला ठीक ही होगा.
सही.
20. I think it's true.
7 years, I can only imagine the amount of pain.
In my mind, it doesn't add up to 7 years. I think it's false.
Shravan?
बढ़ा दो.
Wait, what level is this?
It's 4.
Winnie, I'm sorry. I'll be kinder. Going forward, I'll be kinder for sure.
True or false? About 23% of girls drop out of school upon reaching puberty.
Like, I don't know. If it is true, it's very sad, but I hope it is false.
True. I think in rural areas the number would be more, but yes, on an average.
ट्रू। तो अभी लड़की बड़ी हो गई है, शादी कर देंगे और ड्रॉप आउट कर लेते हैं।
I think yes.
Wait.
बहुत बुरा लगता है, मुझे नहीं पसंद आता है।
नहीं करना चाहिए भाई, ये पेन तो मैं ले लूँगा यार।
I would think that's actually true.
ओ भाई।
Given the number of myths that perpetuate and what we hear, I wouldn't be surprised that if in certain places that number is even larger.
True or false? 57% of rural women have used a cloth for menstrual protection.
Sadly, this is true.
True. Would be more.
I would think that's true.
My mom, she comes from an Adivasi tribe and I've visited there. They have not introduced to sanitary pads yet.
This is also true.
I guess it's false क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है ज़्यादा 57% से ज़्यादा होगा ये चीज़. But I guess नंबर ज़्यादा होगा 57% से.
It might be more. 2.
True or false? 50% of girls aren't aware of their first period before they have them.
ट्रू।
Sadly, again true.
I think it might be true.
It's true.
कोई उनको बताता ही नहीं है, कोई एजुकेशन ही नहीं है, और छोटे क्लासेस में तो कोई बोलता भी नहीं है।
Given that there isn't too much conversation anyway that happens around periods, such a hush topic, nobody wants to talk about it.
Oh, it might be even higher. More than 80. I've seen my own classmates cry and run out of the class. और वो अब समझ आता है कि oh damn, that was happening.
I have a mad respect for all the women in the country, in the world. ये बहुत ज़्यादा था, ये बहुत ज़्यादा है, trust me.
In the same breath, I was thinking कि भाई अगर ये 7 दिन या 5 दिन ऐसे चलता है तो
मेरे ऐसा लग रहा है ऐसा कोई बोझ उतरा है. इतनी सी चीज़ थी, इतनी सी जिसका कोई वेट नहीं था और अभी लग रहा है डंबल अभी ऐसे करके बाहर निकाला है.
I think if I'm in this much pain constantly, I won't be able to work. I wouldn't be. Like my mind would be on nothing but this. Even if 50% of attention is over here, your output is going to drop. Your ability to do stuff is going to drop. How it will look is that you haven't performed. And I'm sure when I think about it now that this will have a massive impact on just how the average woman is perceived versus a similarly competent man just because she's going through this.
Do you think it is important to have this conversation?
Yes, it is very important.
if not now, then when to actually bring this conversation forward?
मुझे आज रिग्रेट हो रहा है मैंने पहले क्यों नहीं किया, क्योंकि अगर कभी मेरे दोस्त मेरे कोई है जिनके साथ बाहर गया उनको पेन हो रहा है, मैं एक्चुअल मेरे को नहीं पता है क्या हो रहा है उनके अंदर, कैसा फील है, कितनी बार उनको पैड्स चेंज करना पड़ता है, क्या मेरे को कोई आइडिया नहीं था.
Why do you think we don't talk about periods?
Maybe there is a blood involved, so they feel it is impure.
We are very happy to tell people हम इस जाति को बिलोंग करते हैं, ये मेरा सरनेम है, ये मेरी कास्ट है, ये मेरा गोत है. यही अगर हमने अपने घरों में बातें करी होती तो आई थिंक टुडे वी वुड हैव बीन ओपनली टॉकिंग अबाउट देम.
कि उनको लगता है कि ये टैबू है, हम बात करेंगे तो छी हो जाएगा. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. पेपर में रैप करके दे देते हैं. यू नो, आई गेस that's where सब कुछ हाइड हो जाता है.
I think the other also is, you know, as a woman, if you talk about it too much, the sense might be that people will perceive that you're making excuses. You know, the conversation can easily shift to it's happening to all the women. What's special about you that you're complaining so much about it? And I would assume that that's stopping women from talking at least to their male counterparts about it. Maybe they're still talking to each other because I think they sense a bit of empathy, but they're not talking to the male counterparts. Equally, I also think that as men, I don't think we've encouraged open conversation enough about this.
So when my daughter reaches her puberty, when she has her first period, I am just hoping that I am able to be there for her, give her the comfort. I know it is happening to you. I know it is quite painful. I am there to do whatever it takes for her to feel a little bit better.